am answering more of your questions while I wait for Costco to open. This one comes from Sara, and it is, what is the top 5 products that have been life-changing for me that every breeder should have when they first start cat breeding? Some of these will be really surprising for you. My number 1 top product is to get a mattress protector, a waterproof mattress protector for every single bed in your house. Trust me, you will thank me later. At some stage, every cat breeder will have a cat pee on their bed. It just happens. It's, the first time it happened to us in our house where we are now currently was because I shut one of my cats in the bedroom and she peed on the bed. The more cats you have, the more chances can happen. So get yourself a waterproof mattress protector as one of the first things you get. The second thing I want you to get is a really good urine cleaning spray. It goes with the first one. Breeding cats will pee on things. They will pee on things. It's just going to happen. They'll pee on things in there where you've got them housed, but they'll also pee on things in your house if you've got them free roaming in your house. The one that I use is True Eco. I absolutely love their dog and cat cleaner. It's amazing. I'm going to put a link somewhere for you. If you're in Australia, it is the best product ever. If you're not in Australia, make sure you get something with enzymes in it. And my top tip for using the enzyme cleaners is if you've got an area that's been peed in, saturate it with spray if you can, because of color testing and everything. Saturate it with spray. Put a wet towel on it with hot water, like a towel that's been soaked in hot water on top of it, and let it just sit there for as long as possible for the enzymes to do all of their jobs. So that's my second best product. My third best product is some sort of containment for your cats. When you first start and you've got just the kittens, you think, yeah, everything's great. Very quickly, you will realize you need to have ways to separate your cats. It'll either be different bedrooms, it'll be different cat pens that you've had built, it'll be cattery type situations, or it could even be big pop-up soft pens, soft crates. You will need something. Trust me, you will need to separate your cats at some point, and if you don't have anything, you're going to be on the back foot and scrambling to find a way to do it. Have something ready in advance. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can get stuff from Temu. Just have something. My fourth best thing, I think we're up to 4. Fourth best thing is my new cat breeders membership. I gotta tell you, the progress people make in there, the transformations from not knowing anything to being a confident breeder is amazing. I think of one of my members, Kim. When she first joined, I met her at a cat show in Queensland. It was the first show she came to. She didn't have cats. She just came to see the cats. She was a bit nervous about everything. She wasn't sure about the cats that she had, what she was doing, if she was doing everything right. Just I think it was last weekend or the weekend ago, she sent me a photo of her immaculately groomed ragdoll winning a best long hair exhibit, and just how confident and proud she was of that was amazing. So the difference that can be made in a very short amount of time just by being a member of my group is I'll put a link there as well. And what is the 5th best thing? The 5th best thing is to have yourself a really good set of cat carriers. I've just dropped my cats off at the vets. I've just dropped kittens off for desexing, and they are in one of my larger cat carriers. I have got smaller cat carriers. I've got cat carriers that fit my stud cats. I've got cat carriers for kittens. They're all the hard type cases. I know soft crates are really useful and everything, and people rave about them. I love a good hard case so that they can just be safe and secure in the car. And I've got cat carriers I bought maybe 18 years ago that I have still got today. So if you buy good ones at the beginning, good ones that are strong and sturdy and are flight approved, they will last you forever. Very good investment. Okay, there's my top 5 things. Hopefully that was helpful for you.